Alright, we're back at it again tonight. 9 o'clock now. Alright, so we left off on this thing. It wasn't pumping. It was kind of locking up the pump. But I noticed when I'm pushing on the plunger right here, pushing a lot of air back out through that feed hole down there. Looks like it's not sealing correctly, so like the ball and seat probably full of crap. Yeah, gas fumes suck in here. But, so I don't know if that's the problem or if this is just plugged up. We were blowing some air through this, I thought. So I don't remember. So I think the thing to do is just to blow it all out and take the diaphragm back off and double check all the galleries before I start ripping and tearing. Getting this tube out without breaking it, very hard to do. Has more air pressure to it. Definitely better. Alright. Do all the loose gas off. You want to make sure you're holding the float bowl down with your finger when you're blowing on it like that so you don't damage it. It starts bouncing up and down, you can break something. Okay, I think I'm just going to strip this thing all the way back down again. That way we know what's going on here. Only way you know for sure is start over. The ball bearing is sticking to this again, which is not what it's supposed to be doing. It tells me there's a bunch of goo right here, and that's part of the accelerator pump feed circuit, I think. Blow this out. Definitely unrestricted. Probably got goo or something in here, so get a little scrub pad here. Let's see what we can do to try to clean that up a little bit. Looks like it's pretty shiny on the taper now. That's where the ball seat is. Definitely got good flow through all the surfaces. I think that's good. Sticks in there, I don't know why. Trying to lose it. I don't know why it sticks in there. That's weird. It's going to have to release back and forth. If it doesn't release, it's never going to pump. So that's kind of weird how it does that. It's definitely sticking in there. I don't know. Let's try friendly persuasion with a hammer here. It's not sticking in there no more. Instantly falls off like it's supposed to. Push down on it really hard. Falls right out now. Try it again. Sticks to my thumb when I come up. Okay, whatever was making it stick, it's no longer. It's definitely not doing it. Alright, so some kind of wedge effect was going on with just goes in and stuck. So maybe that's all it took. I was not sure. Did I do that wrong? I think that's my problem too. I think I put that in backwards. Did I put that on top of this or underneath it? It's supposed to go under it. No, I was on the right side. I think. Yeah, it's supposed to go in here. So that is correct. I had it right. It goes in there like that. Yeah. That would be correct. Alright, let's see if I put that ball in there correctly this time again. Let's see, before I do that, I'll clean this, see if this is open or not. Springs like to fly out of there and try to go away. I'm going to go ahead and put pressure on this and make sure it blows out through the little small hole here and see if it's working. Again, make sure it's not clogged. That hole is open. It's definitely open. Some fluid right in the hole here. Put air pressure on it. It's definitely letting fluid through. Alright, so it's working. So it's not clogged. I think it was just that ball was sticking and that's what did it. I'm going with that one for now. That was a good plan. I think I'm going to go with that one. Alright, let's try this again. Watch these O-rings leak this time. Nice and free and working like it's supposed to. Okay, I'm going to try to put this together without losing everything again. So I could fill right into that time. Do our little jig walk on there again, back and forth, make sure it's in there. Appears to be down. Okay. So you can see the ball right through the hole right there. I didn't try to seal that up. I should have tried sealing that, cleaning that area out. I forgot. There's blowing fluid up out of there. I did not try cleaning that. Yeah. Take it back apart again. We're not getting a good seal there, so it's probably some goo on the seat.